Learn verb variations and Igbo meanings. In Igbo, we call verb ngwaa. We call verb in Igbo ngwaa. All these things are verbs. We are going to learn both the Igbo name and the English name of them. Let's start. Igbo English. Number R says be. Be. In English, it means live. Be. Live. Ibi, to live. Ibi, to live. Biri, lived. Biri, lived. Ebirigori, have been living. Ebirigoli, have been living. Or you say ebirigo. Ebirigo means have been living. The same thing. Na ebiri is living. Na ebiri is living. Ga ebiri, we live. Ga ebiri, we live. Ga biri, go live. Ga biri, go live. Ebila, don't live. Ebila, don't live. You will find out that the main verb we have here is be. Be. We use other words to attach to them. We are going to learn them one after another in sentences. Like and share our videos. Bye for now.